Hello there and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to take you through Plasfy and I'm going to show you how to create a book cover. Now I started out with this video because I'm in the mood for book covers, so let's try a book cover. Now when you go into Plasfy, you can see all your recent projects, you can see the templates that you can choose from, and just for you, just for me, they've suggested book cover, so I'm gonna choose book cover and let's see what happens. Okay, so choose book cover. It open up in a new tab, and that's nice because I can always go back to Plasfy. I can select another template, I can do something else with it without having to hit the back button. All right, now I'm in the book cover template section. What you can notice here is that these templates are organized by categories. So we have education and science, and if I click view all, I can see a lot more here. Health and fitness, leisure and entertainment, and today I'm in the mood for some business book covers. And if you're watching this, I think you must be in some business, right? Maybe even publishing for KDP, whatever it is. Let's see, online business. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so I'm going to click on view all and let's see how many templates they have here. So here we go, we got a lot of templates. So now that the templates are there, all we have to do is click on any of the templates and that's going to appear in our main window here, and we can start editing it. So let's see what we can create. I want to create a book called Digital Wealth Mastery. Okay, and the author is John Carter. Have you watched the movie? Okay, so digital wealth secrets. Let's see, digital wealth. So the cover has to be something to do with profits, rich, digital. Okay, let's see if there's any template that fits what we want to do. Digital wealth secrets, or was it mastery? This one looks good actually. So let me select this. Okay, it should appear here. There we go. That's a nice looking cover. Where am I going to put the name of the author? Okay, somewhere down here. But right now I want to add one more page, and let's see if we can find some more. Affiliate marketing secrets. This is also good. I like this one. Crypto investing for everyone. The way this is structured, it looks nice. I like that. This is super cool. Let's see. I don't know, while I'm scrolling through this here, you might find something that you would use. I think I like this one also. Come on, there we go. I'm gonna use this. Okay, we have two here, we have two templates. We can use either one of them, and of course you can go ahead and choose any other template from here, or you can just decide to create it from scratch, all the way from scratch. Not a problem, you can do it. So let's see how easy or difficult it is. Select the text you want to edit. Oops. Digital wealth. Is it? Yeah, it is centralized, but I think I would want this font to be slightly bigger. So let's see. Here we go. Let's increase it. Digital wealth. Okay, so that's kind of about there. Let me just move this one away. Digital wealth, let's put it in the center. Is it centralized? There we go. I think this digital thing can be a little small. So let's move that there. Let's bring this into the center. Okay, so that should do good. Digital wealth, and this one is going to be mastery. So we got to move this. So let's select this and move it in. That was a long word, right? The earlier one, so that's why we had it there. So let's see if we can do something else with this. Spacing, yeah, let's do something with spacing. That is good. Okay, digital wealth mastery, and we had a subtitle for it. Unlock proven strategies to build a profitable online business here. So I'm going to select all of that. Okay, it's too small. Let's increase the font size. Okay, looks good. Now this part. Oh gosh, each of these is an individual graphic. That's going to be tough to handle. I can leave it as it is, but I think I want to change it. So before that, let's change this to John, capitals, John Carter. Okay, we got John Carter. Now, is this my brand color? I don't know, but let's see. I want to go with some other elements here. I'm gonna duplicate this. Let me just duplicate this so I have a copy of what I did, because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove all these. Okay, and I'm going to use my own picture. So let's go with illustrations. Let's see if there's something to do with money or wealth. Let's see, illustrations. This one. Let's see how big that is. The digital wealth secrets. The background is not all digital, but this is a nice picture. Okay, so let's remove that. Let's see if there's any other image that we can use. This one. No. What about this one? No. Okay, what happened to this? This used to appear in two columns. Now, right now it's appearing only in one column. Oh, by the way, let me just save this. Save. Save. Keep saving it. Keep saving it always. Okay. So let's see. I just got to know that they've increased the speed of the save, and yes, it is. It's 3 times as fast. Let's see what else we can get. It's okay. Let's look at this. Does this feel like a book cover? Yeah. On second thought, I think the book cover can be a lot better than what this is, but we'll go with this. We'll run with this for now. Let's see if there's any other. Choose the best one. Basically, when you're creating a book cover, just make sure you choose the best one. This also seems like it's 4x, but some kind of graph there. So let's actually use this. Okay, John Carter. There's John Carter's name as well. Let's just expand this to the corner altogether so the picture doesn't look okay. So I'm happy with this. I don't like this background color, so let's change the background color. I'm going to go into backgrounds, and then let's see if we can choose a good color that we want to use. How about something to go with that? So it should be some kind of blue. Let's see if this one works. Got to change the angle. Change the angle. Linear, radial. Okay, how about this? How about this? Radial. We gotta change the angle. Put it to radial. And let's see if any other gradients fit our color scheme. I think I'll go with just black. I like black. This looks good. Now if I want to add any more symbols or things like that here. Let's go to elements again. We don't want this. Let's go to SVG repo or icon finder. Icons are gonna be let's see now, money. Let's check in icons if we find something. If not, we can go to, okay, here, the dollar sign. Let's add that one. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, good. I'm gonna make a copy of this. Right click, duplicate, and just place it random. Now, even though you might have the same image, I'm just totally making this my own cover by adding these elements here. Okay, so we got 5 elements here and they kind of match with the mastery background. We have the rocket and we have this. We actually don't need this, but I think I'll just leave it for now. Okay, so and this is a very quick way to create a book cover. Now, the next step, after we create the cover, what are we going to do? I'm going to save it. Make sure you save it. Then let's download it. Download PNG. Okay, transparent background, that's not required. We're not going to download all. This is page 3, so we select page 3, download. Did I click on it? I don't think so. All right, so let's see what it looks like. Here we go. Our book cover image done in just 15 minutes. Of course, you can do it a lot faster if you know exactly what you're looking for, exactly what you're going after. But in this short video, I just showed you how to create a book cover very quickly with one of the existing templates. All right, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in another one.